Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello class, how are you? I hope that all of you are fine. I'm Mia. I'm here because I want to learn present tense with you. There are some steps to learn. Step 1, opening. Step 2, I will tell you learning achievement and objectives. Step 3, building knowledge of the field. Step 4, learning present tense. Step 5, quizzes. And the last step is tasking and closing. Here we go. Okay, the first, I will tell you the learning objectives of the study. The first, students are able to identify the topic of the text in the form of a procedure correctly. Second, students are able to identify the opinion that is the purpose or benefit of the text in the form of a procedure correctly. Third, students are able to identify what is needed from a text in the form of a procedure accurately. And the last one, students are able to express procedures or details specifically related to technology and tips contained in the text in the form of procedures properly. Okay, students, let me ask you. I think that you ever got the topic of procedure when you were at SMB or MTS. Is it right? Okay, let me know. Please try to answer this question orally. Okay, what is procedure text and the social function of the text? Okay, who can answer? Oh, very good. Yeah, to explain or tell the readers how to make, operate, do something through a sequence of actions or steps. In other words, to explain steps. Instruction to make, to operate, to do something. What about generic structure? Anybody knows generic structure of present tense? Good. Yeah, the other one? Maybe want to complete the answer? Okay, good. For generic structure, there are 3. Okay, number 1 is goal, and then material or ingredient, and the last one is step. Okay, good. What about the language feature used? Come on. Yes. Okay. Of course, yeah, action verb. And then, yeah, kind of simple present tense. And then adverbial of sequence. And use command as imperative or action verb. Okay, right. Okay, for next. For the example of present tense in using technology or tips, special for our discussion today. Okay, which one? Now I'm going to give you some question and please answer this question orally before continuing to the new material. I mean the new example of present tense. Okay. Do you know Google account? Yeah. Do you have it? Some of you. Okay. Do you remember your Google account? Forget it? Oh, God. Have you ever changed it? Changed the password? And do you know how to see all passwords saved in your Google account? Okay, now we are going to watch the video. The video will tell you something about Google account. Yeah. Before watching, I will give you some instruction. Number 1, watch the video. Number 2, discuss this question in pairs. So you have to make a group but in pairs. And number 3, share it to other pairs. Get it? Okay. Have a nice watching.
In this video, I'm gonna show you how to see all passwords that are saved in your Google account. Now let's begin. To see the saved passwords, you need to go to settings. And here scroll down and find Google. Click on it. Click here to select a Google account that you want to check the saved passwords. Select a Google account. Once done, click on Manage Google Account. Here, go to Security. Scroll down and find Password Manager. Here it says, I have 3 passwords saved in my Google account. So to check those passwords, click on Password Manager. Here, I have 3 saved passwords as you can see. First is the admin password of my modem. Second, the password of my Facebook account. And third, the saved password of my TikTok account. So let's try to check the saved password of my Facebook account. Here it is. Here's the login email of my Facebook account. And here's the login password. Now to see the saved password, you just need to click on the eye icon here. But I'm not doing it in this tutorial because I don't want you to see my saved password.
Okay. Now it's time for you to have us answer these questions in pairs and share them to other pairs. The question is, what does the video tell us about? Next, what is the social function of the text? Then, what is the geometric structure of the text? What is the language feature of the text? And of course, what is the genre of the text? At last, find out the action verb used in the text. Okay. If you have finished, you can share your answers to other pairs. Okay, now it's your time to list the action verb on the whiteboard. Come on. Okay, very good. Now, let's say the action verb you listed. I'm going to say and you repeat after me. Are you ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Go. Go. Scroll down. Scroll down. Find. Find. Click. Click. Save. Save. Select. Select. Check. Check. Now it's your turn to say together. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Okay. Yes. How well done. Okay. Okay, class. Before finishing the meeting, I'm going to ask you to review the topic of discussion today. What kind of text it is? President text, right? What is the social function of the text? Okay, good. And what is the generic structure of the text? Excellent. Okay, the last one. What is the language feature used? Good. And now the last one. My question is, what is the benefit of studying present text? Anybody knows? Yeah, good. It's very useful in our daily life. Good. Okay, class. As your homework, find a present text, then analyze it individually based on its social function, generic structure, and language feature. Get it? Okay. Is there any question? No question? Thank you. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.